Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like tabula ads or like the things from your Redmi 12R. So let's start. If you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when trying to visit inside just spam pop-ups, that means you have a notification software. And we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open settings, look for the apps. Now tap on the manage apps. Then check out the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just open it and click on install, click OK, and after that go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. Choose the storage, clear data, tap on the manage space and choose clear all data, configure it on the pop-up, and that's it. After this process, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so I can launch it. Okay, now in this application you need to add the permissions to the files, and you shall see green circle. Like that one, and just scan the process and always use the deep scan. And after this process, this scan, your phone shall be free from notification software. And this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like and comment. Goodbye.